Hello everyone, welcome to the XoroERP Bill of Material tutorial. In this guide we're going to walk through how to create a recipe, or in other words a bill of material for an item. So basically if we're going to manufacture an item, we're going to need a recipe for it first, and we're going to create that recipe with this bill of material, and later on when we manufacture it we're going to create a manufacturing order, an MO, and retrieve that BOM and then go through the manufacturing process. We'll cover that in another video, however. So for now, what we're going to do is create a bill of material. I'm just going to enter it into the search menu, the module, and I'll just let it pull up here. And suppose we want to manufacture a dining table, and these items are already made into the system. So what you want to do is enter the item that you're manufacturing here, and we can go to other details and we can add some stuff here. So let me go ahead and add the revision number, and let's say it takes 500 minutes to make this dining table. And the bottom part here, you add the items that are consumed during the manufacturing process to create the dining table. So I'm going to go ahead and click on add items on the right here, and we can use this window to add the items. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some oak type wood, and let's say we need about 20 feet. And I'm gonna add one more item. Let's say we need some wood glue, and let's say we need about maybe 0.5 liters of wood glue. And let's add one more item. Let's say we need some screws for the dining table. Let's say we need 24 screws. Click on add, and let's close this. And you can see the items at the bottom here, so you can actually change the order around. You can edit the instructions here, change the quantity. And if it's a one-time item, so if it's an item that's used only once during the manufacturing of this item, regardless of the quantity that you're manufacturing, you're going to want to tick this off. So what you can do is, once you've added the items that get consumed to create the dining table, or whatever it is that you're manufacturing in your case, just click on save, click OK, and the bill of material has been saved.